Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at the general crypto market. We're having a very great morning in the cryptocurrency market. Even though we had a pullback over the last 7 days, how high do we expect to see the altcoin market going? Right now, altcoins are having a very great time pumping to higher values. We're seeing altcoins starting to outperform Bitcoin. We'll take a look at the Bitcoin US dollar price chart on a weekly time frame. Bitcoin sits above that $7,000. The king of altcoins in the market, Ethereum, still trades above $2,000. We're waiting for Ethereum to rally above that $2,100 level. I believe that's where we'll see all the extreme green in the market. That's where we see altcoins going crazy. Altcoin market has been outperforming Bitcoin over the last 1 month. There's fear. There's greed in the cryptocurrency market right now. There's no any sign of fear. We're waiting for extreme greed in the market, which will send altcoins going crazy in that forthcoming alt season. We'll take a look at news stories happening in the cryptocurrency world, where we're heading to in the coming days and the coming weeks. We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business.
I can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Last 1 month has seen double-digit gains in the altcoin market. The last 1 month has seen triple-digit gains across the board. FTC token is up 325%. Immutable X is up 143%, Ron is up 183%, Solana is having a great time, Avax is having a great time. Good times are returning back to the cryptocurrency market. Top 10 cryptocurrency by market capitalization is still unchanged. Bitcoin, the king of the market, trades above $37,000. Ethereum sits at number 2, up 1.2% over the last 7 days. Ethereum trades above $2,000. BNB sits at number 4. BNB is down 7% over the last 7 days. XRP is up down 5% over the last 7 days. Solana has seen a 10% decrease over the last 7 days. Solana gave us that big pump that saw it rally up to as high as $65. Dogecoin sits at number 9. Dogecoin is down 2%. Cardano ADA, which sits at number 8, trading around the $0.38 level, is down 3.75% in the last 7 days. And Tron, which trades around the $0.1 level with a market cap of $9 billion, is down 2.68% in the last 7 days. For the gainers and the losers in the cryptocurrency market over the last 7 days, guys, we've seen huge gains in the market. We're also seeing some huge losses. In the gainer section, Immutable X has gone up 25%. Kel has gone up 27%. Blur is up 35%. Qcoin token is up 24%, and FTX token is up 23%. In the loser section, double-digit gains across the board. We saw a major pullback in the altcoin market last week. We saw Phantom lose 17% of its value. Matic has lost 16%. DAIDX has lost 12%. Filecoin 12%. Ordnance 11%, and the list goes on. But in the bull market, you expect a pullback. When the market is pumping, we're not expecting us to just be rallying to higher prices forever. There's going to be a pullback for us to have that huge pump. And if you take a look at what Bitcoin has been doing, Bitcoin has been having a very great year. It doesn't look like Bitcoin has been having a great year, but guys, that's what has been happening throughout 2023. Bitcoin started the year around $16,000, and right now, Bitcoin trades above $37,000. But we don't believe Bitcoin is getting to new all-time highs. Bitcoin has not rallied above $48,000. I still believe Bitcoin will not get above $48,000 before the end of the year. I believe Bitcoin is just having a sweet old retracement, and Bitcoin has a lot of resistance along the way. Before we get to that $48,000 level, we still have to blast above this $42,000 level. I believe that's where the highest we see Bitcoin trade in 2023. If we take a look at the second largest cryptocurrency in the cryptocurrency market, that's Ethereum, sits around $2,000. We've seen Ethereum start the year around $1,100. Ethereum has rallied up to as high as $2,100 in 2023. Ethereum is still underperforming against Bitcoin. When the coming days and the coming weeks, guys, I'll not be shocked to see Ethereum outperform Bitcoin. History has shown us that when we're getting to the end of the cycle, when you see Ethereum start to outperform Bitcoin, you want to start taking some profits off the table. It means people are getting very bold. The market is getting very bullish. When we're bearish, people run to Bitcoin. When we're bullish, you see people start running to the altcoin market. And first stop is Ethereum. I believe we'll see Ethereum rallying to higher values. If Bitcoin gets to that $42,000 level, I'll not be shocked to see Ethereum get to as high as $2,900. Maybe even shocking us and getting above $3,000. But Bitcoin dominance has been dumping. Bitcoin dominance is very important in the cryptocurrency market. If Bitcoin dominance is dumping, guys, it means capital is leaving Bitcoin, capital is heading back into stable coins or back into the altcoin market. And history has shown us that when Bitcoin dominance is dumping, that's good time for the altcoin market. If the market is bullish, and Bitcoin dominance is dumping, good times, we'll see the altcoin market having a huge pump. And take a look at what the general altcoin market has been doing. We're finally crossed that $400 billion level. The $400 billion level has been giving us difficulties for a very, very long time. Right now, we're consolidating around that $400 billion level. I will not be shocked to see the total crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, get to as high as $821 billion before the end of the year. That will basically see us go 100% from where we're currently trading. Imagine how the altcoin market will be bullish if all the altcoins right now magically teleported by 100%. That's how crazy things can happen when the market is very, very bullish. That's how crazy things can happen when we get to alt season. Right now, we're in an altcoin month, which means over the last 30 days, altcoins are starting to outperform Bitcoin. Over the last 30 days, Bitcoin is up only 6.4%. Over the last 30 days, a lot of altcoins are having crazy, crazy pumps. It's leading us to an alt season, guys. An alt season is where all the magic will happen. An alt season will mean altcoins would have been outperforming Bitcoin for a 90-day period. And for us to officially have an alt season, we have to see 75% of the top 50 coins doing better than Bitcoin. You want to buy all your altcoins before we get to alt season? Alt season is when you want to be selling for some sweet, sweet profit. Let's take a look at liquidation data in the cryptocurrency market. The last 24 hours, I've seen a lot of liquidations. Be careful out there, guys. A lot of people are using leverage to trade the market, trying to get exponential gains, but at the same time, they're putting themselves at the risk of getting liquidated. In the last 24 hours, over 38,000 traders have been liquidated. Total liquidation is coming in at $97 million. The largest single liquidation happened on Bybit, where one trader was liquidated for $919,000. Let's take a look at some news stories happening in the cryptocurrency world. Major news stories have been happening over the last 48 hours. Binance has left his position as CEO of Binance, the largest crypto exchange. He settled with the US government. Binance now have a new CEO. Richard Teng pitches very strong foundation to skeptics. Richard Teng has taken over from CZ as Binance new CEO. Binance CZ settlement with US DOJ bullish for Bitcoin ETF. That's what crypto communities were saying. A lot of people have the opinion that Binance and Ford has been hanging over the cryptocurrency market. Right now, we're moving away from that Binance Ford. We're getting ready for that big ETF pump. CZ departure. Binance deal leads to purge of $175 million worth of crypto longs. Be careful out there, guys. Any news story now can push the market in any direction. So if you're playing with leverage, you're just setting yourself up for failure. Coin market cap rival CoinGecko acquires NFT startup Zash. Other news stories happening in the crypto world. Heco chain bridge compromise over $86 million sent to suspicious address. Bitcoin price bounced 3%. Post-Binance call amidst calls for Bitcoin bulls to step in. Immediately we had the Bitcoin news, the Binance news go. We saw a lot of people pushing out bullish tweets, expecting Bitcoin to rally to higher values. And a lot of people have been putting out suspicion that the reason why I've not gotten that spot ETF pump, the spot ETF approved, is because Binance is still the largest cryptocurrency exchange, and the US will want to approve a spot ETF with Binance being in charge of the industry. So right now, I'm not going to be shocked to see over the next few months, Binance just slowly going to number 2, and maybe Coinbase, with the help of BlackRock, becoming the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the cryptocurrency market. Coinbase cites SEC action against Kraken in push for crypto rulemaking. We saw Coinbase CEO making an announcement after the Binance news came out, saying that's why Coinbase from the start has been following the rules. Binance DOJ settlements offer a glimmer of hope for the cryptocurrency industry, and PancakeSwap implements new gauge voting system and sunsets VK metrics. HTX exchange lost over $13 million in hot wallet hack. And BlackRock met SEC officials to discuss their spot Bitcoin ETF. We had that Grayscale also did the same thing. They met with the SEC officials to discuss their BlackRock spot ETF application. Hopefully, we get the application approved. Hopefully, we'll see Bitcoin pumping to higher values. Nvidia posts a record $18 billion profit in Q2 revenue, cites generative AI as the primary driver. Let's go back to the charts, guys. Total crypto market caps is around the $1.3 trillion level. Well, expecting total crypto market cap maybe to rise to as high as $2 trillion before the end of the year. A lot of this depends on Bitcoin. Right now, Bitcoin is taking a chill pill, allowing the altcoin market to rally, allowing the altcoin market to catch up. But the altcoin market is starting to outperform Bitcoin, and history has shown us over time that anytime that is happening, that is not a good sign. There's greed in the cryptocurrency market right now. We're waiting for that extreme greed to return. Anytime you see extreme greed, the altcoin market going crazy, officially in alt season, guys, these are your exit indicators. These are the signs you want to see before you know trouble is ahead. We're having a good time in the cryptocurrency market right now. We're still going to have a bear market in future. Your number one job right now is to survive this bull market, selling for higher prices. Binance CEO CZ downfall is the end of an era. That's what Cardano co-founder is saying. Bitcoin derivative data targets $40,000. Right now that Binance issue is resolved. And no mass exodus of funds following Binance DOJ settlement. We saw over $1 billion worth of crypto assets leaving Binance exchange, but we have seen more than that leaving previously when Binance had a lot of fraud. Right now, a $1 billion outflow for Binance is nothing to write home about. Binance has over $69 million, and it's very, very important to note that the US government did not say Binance was tampering with customer funds. They just got seized for money laundering and other charges for not following the rules. No mass exodus of funds following Binance settlement. Roughly 24 hours following the announcement of the settlement with US official, Nissan reported Binance total holding increased more than $65 billion. That's good to see. The community still trusts Binance. A lot of people are still using the company. The company is a good company. They are doing great things. They onboarded a lot of crypto people, but they broke the rules, so they have to pay for it. An appeal court rejects Sam Bankman-Fried bids for release. How high do you see the market going in the coming days and coming weeks, guys? Right now, a lot of things are happening in the cryptocurrency market. A lot of news stories going. The market is bullish. We're having a great time. Kyber swap DEX exploited for $46 million, and we saw it tanking by 68%. Be careful out there, guys. Right now, a lot of scams are going around. A lot of hacks are happening. The market is very bullish. A lot of people might end up losing money. So be careful out there. Double check every address before you make any transaction. CZ an unacceptable flight risk. That's what DOJ in the US is saying. We first had news stories that they'll be allowing to go to Dubai, but right now it seems they are changing their tune. Kraken co-founder hails more fair playing fields as DOJ fines Binance. We'll find out with this Binance fraud being out of the way, do you see the crypto market heading for new all-time highs, or do you think we're just going for that sweet retracement? Do you think we're being set up for that one final dump to Goblin Town? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.